Hello everyone, every step I'm about to show you has been verified by professional technicians, so relax, we're going to fix this. After reviewing many client comments and talking with our workshop technicians, it's clear that an air fryer that turns on but doesn't heat isn't always a serious problem, but it is a sign that something inside isn't working properly. Many clients tell us that they turn the machine on, the fan runs, the controls light up, but in the end, the food remains cold. That gives us the first clue. The heat isn't being generated correctly. Looking closer at these cases, some clients mention, the fryer makes noise like it's working, but I don't feel any heat. Workshop technicians explain that this is usually related to the internal heating element. Even if the fan runs, if the heating element isn't receiving power or is damaged, the fryer will appear to operate but won't heat. Brands like Philips and Ninja have published bulletins indicating that worn elements can prevent heat from being generated, and in some models, it's recommended to inspect or replace the component in a workshop. Other times, clients notice that the fryer used to heat properly but suddenly stopped, even though the fan is still running. In these cases, the problem may be in the basket safety switches. Some models have a mechanism that prevents the heating element from working if the basket isn't correctly positioned, and a slight misalignment can block heat generation. Workshop technicians explain that even a slightly incorrect placement can trigger the safety switch and stop the element, which many clients describe as everything seems fine but it doesn't heat at all. On the other hand, some clients say the plug and cord are fine, yet there's no heat. Technicians always check the electrical supply because without stable, sufficient power, the fryer can turn on the controls and fan but won't properly power the heating element. Even if the machine appears alive without adequate energy, the heat will never appear. Testing another outlet or avoiding extension cords is an easy first step to rule out supply issues. In some cases, the fryer heats intermittently or cuts off the heat prematurely, which indicates a possible issue with the internal temperature sensor or thermostat. This confuses many clients because the fan keeps running and the lights work, but the heating element shuts off too soon. Workshop technicians recommend checking these sensors and, if needed, taking the unit to an authorized service center for safe replacement. Since handling internal electronics without experience can be risky, we've also seen clients report that the fryer doesn't heat at all after extended use or following a power surge. This is often related to the built-in thermal protection that many modern fryers include to prevent overheating damage. Technicians explain that this feature can temporarily disable the heating element if it detects blocked airflow or excessive temperature, and cleaning vents and letting the unit cool can resolve the issue in many cases.